Hello everyone, welcome to InfoComm Show 2026 in Las Vegas. I'm Kevin from Vistech. Today I want to introduce our another product, the Kiosk. This one is an indoor kiosk. We can not only provide the outdoor kiosk, we can provide the indoor kiosk. The big feature is that this one is the double side LD screen. You can see it's double side. It can mount in the stick. This kind of screen, you use the COB panel to make it. It's a waterproof surface. It's an energy-saving solution. This kind of screen, as you can see, is a 1.2 COB panel to make it. It's high brightness, over 1,000 nits. If you want to get more information about this kiosk and want to purchase some goods, you can contact with us. We have a local warehouse in Los Angeles. We can deliver the goods to you fast, and we make sure the good quality and the good after-sales service. If you want to get more information, welcome to visit our website, visitechtechnology.com. Thank you so much.